I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to cancel your Costco membership online, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Costco website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Membership Details. Once logged in, hover over your name in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your membership information. Step 3. Find the cancellation option. Scroll down to find the membership section. Look for the Cancel Membership link and click on it to proceed. Step 4. Confirm cancellation. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your cancellation. Read through the information provided and click Confirm to finalize the cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After confirming, check your email for a confirmation message from Costco. This will ensure that your membership has been successfully cancelled. Remember, if you encounter any issues, Costco's customer service is available to assist you. Good luck, and I hope this helps you with your membership.